If your iPhone's ear speaker isn't working when making calls, here's how to fix it. If you're unable to hear sound from the top speaker, let's dive into your settings and adjust a few things. First, open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility under the General section. Within Accessibility, there are a few settings that might need adjustment. Scroll down and tap on Audio, Visual to check some key options. One important setting here is balance control. If the slider is pushed completely to the left or right, sound may only play through one speaker, making audio quieter or distorted. Ensure the balance slider is centered. Additionally, look for mono audio and voice isolation settings. If mono audio is enabled, it could limit your speaker's volume and clarity, so make sure it's turned off for the best sound experience. Now, go back to the Accessibility menu, scroll up, and tap on Touch. Scroll down to Call Audio Routing. If it's set to Bluetooth headset or automatic, your iPhone might be routing calls to another device, such as headphones, speakers, or even your car. To fix this, either set it to speaker for loudspeaker mode or keep it on automatic, but avoid selecting Bluetooth headset unless needed. Next, let's disable Bluetooth temporarily. Exit to the main settings menu, tap Bluetooth, and turn it off. This ensures audio isn't being redirected to a Bluetooth device like headphones or an external speaker. The ear speaker at the top of your phone can collect dust or lint, affecting sound quality. Use a toothpick or soft brush to gently clean around the speaker grill. If you have a screen protector or phone case covering the ear speaker, that could be the cause. Remove them and check if the sound improves. Next, let's check for software updates. Head back to Settings, tap General, and then Software Update. Sometimes, simply updating iOS and restarting your iPhone can fix bugs or glitches affecting the ear speaker. If the issue persists, go back to General, scroll down, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data but will restore system settings to default, which can resolve hidden issues affecting your speaker. After following these steps, your ear speaker should work. If not, consider visiting an Apple store or searching for Apple support online to run diagnostics. There might be a hardware issue requiring repair or replacement. Hopefully, this guide helped. If it did, hit subscribe, it really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.